Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI. It's so fun to create my own designs, and these Cricut patterned iron-on sheets are not just absolutely beautiful, but they also give great results. I love the Anna Griffin patterns, and to have them combined with the quality that you get from Cricut products is just excellent. The results are really long lasting too. I use these on t-shirts, and of course they can be used on tote bags and pillows or baby onesies. You can just be so creative with these. I love having these Cricut iron-on sheets in my craft room. I just love the quality and the beauty of them. And that's my point of view.